What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Another TRX video today. Truck is super filthy, so we're going to be doing a little detailing video today. Gonna more or less just do a time lapse. These things are like super like satisfying to watch, so just gonna do a quick no detail video, just kind of showing the process I use. Just got some stuff laid out here, what I typically use, some McGuire stuff, some chemical guys, foam cannon, little electric pressure washer over here. So yeah, let me go ahead and set you guys down and enjoy the video. All right, so the car is more or less all clean now. Use the foam cannon. That really helps with lifting the dirt up off of the actual truck itself. And then I just do a quick wipe down of everything. You saw me clean the wheels as well. Spray those with the foam cannon, then rinse them, then use the actual mitten, wipe them down with the brush. Then you saw me use the back to black on the actual plastics itself. And now you probably didn't see me actually drying the truck, because what I like to do is either use a blow dryer. I didn't use not a blow dryer, a leaf blower to dry it down. I didn't do that today. The sun really helped me do that, but as you can see, there's still some watermarks on there, stuff like that. So what I always like to do is I use a quick detailer now that has kind of like a wax in it, and that more or less will get rid of any watermarks, and it'll also give it a really nice sheen. So use a clean microfiber towel, and then use any quick detailer of your choice. I like to use the chemical guys. So now that's what I'm going to do next, and then that should finish this process up. Now finally we are finished. So pretty long process, but it is a pretty big truck, so Don't expect to get this done in you know, a few minutes. Taking my time, it took me just about 2 hours. That's with setting up the pressure washer, the foam cannon, all that, and honestly taking my time. But you saw the entire process there. You can just explain it while giving you a quick walk around. You do the pre-soak, then you go ahead and use the foam cannon, wipe it down, then you do a rinse with the foam cannon, then you go ahead, dry it down. You go ahead and choose to do the quick detailer like I did, just to get that nice shine on there. Then go ahead, do the back to black on all the plastics, then go ahead, focus on wheels and tires, and then last, I always do the windows. So there it is, guys. I'm gonna have a multiple links down in the description to all the tools and product I use to go ahead and get this done. I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick overview right here. So got foam cannon right here. I always like the Meguiar's Gold Class car wash. Then I went ahead, there's the tire foam right there. Quick detailer from Chemical Guys. The sticky wheel cleaner from Chemical Guys. Also another wheel cleaner that I like to use on there because I really like my wheels clean. Then the Meguiar's Ultimate Black. And right here, the Meguiar's glass cleaner. Got the car and driver squeegee right here. This is my absolute favorite squeegee. I've had this thing for like 10 years. It's absolutely awesome. Then just over here, Chemical Guys bucket, wheel brush right here for cleaning, and then 2 mitts for cleaning. And then also the pressure washer I'm using is a electric Ryobi pressure washer, which in my opinion is absolutely perfect for cars because it's only 2 PSI, it's electric, it's really quiet. Don't expect to clean your roof or your driveway with this thing, but for a car, it's absolutely perfect. So yeah, guys, just quick walk around. I know this isn't a super exciting video, but you'd be surprised how many people really don't know how to wash a car. So figured I'd go ahead and just do a quick walk around video, just kind of explaining my process. I've had a lot of black cars. I know keeping black cars clean is an absolute nightmare. So this is how I do it. And the results kind of speak for themselves. It looks pretty clean and it's really all not that hard. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. If you like the video, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on the TRX. Got some more mods coming for it and possibly wrapping this thing pretty soon in a pretty cool design. So that's gonna do it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later.